What's up, guys? Untitled here. Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday unboxing video. I have been gone for so long, very long. I'm sorry, I haven't had a chance to purchase anything to, make unboxing for. But today, I have something. It's not mine. It's my little sister's for her birthday because apparently, any device of any kind or toy she destroyed. So she got a LG phone and she destroyed that in the nick of time. So, and plus, I guess it was so low quality that she wasn't able to watch YouTube. So hopefully, this Samsung Galaxy A12 can do the trick. If you don't know already, I have an A series phone, which I believe I made a video on before. At least I hope I did. This is the A51, which was my temporary phone while I was getting my Galaxy Note replaced or repaired after it broke. So I gotta be quiet because she's in the living room. I don't want her to hear me and ruin the surprise. So I'm gonna unbox this real quick, set it up, and give it an overall look, and that'll be all. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, took the tape off so you don't have to see my infamous unboxing struggles. Oh, there it is. Samsung Galaxy A12, 6.5-inch HD display, 32 gigabytes of memory. Let's see the specs right here. Yep, Android 10, 32 gigabytes, and quad 8 megapixel front camera. I think this is 16 megapixel front facing camera. Let's see, is there any more features? A bit. This is LCD. This is a super. Come on, focus. This is a super AMOLED. It has quad 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel. I would say those are all the rear cameras, and the front facing camera is, I guess, 2 megapixel, 8 megapixel, I believe. And the battery talk time up to 34 hours. Standby time is up to 16 days. It does not tell me the milliamps, so I have no idea. 10 of storage, 32, 2.3 gigahertz, and 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. Yeah. So, let's see what's in here. Let's see what this device comes with. This is the device, if I can get it out. Ooh. I might do a comparison with this one. This actually feels premium. Hey, this has some good weight to it. Some reason, somehow, I feel jealous. I shouldn't, but I do, because I'm definitely gonna have to do a comparison to that. I definitely do. So there's a phone. We'll power that up after we look at the stuff in here. Over here, you got the quick reference guide. It says A2S and A12. I don't know if it's similar or not. Oh, there's a different country. There's a different language right there. Oh, and I saw about the video that it's not mine. Oh, I don't want to cut it on. But this right here is a fingerprint scanner, so that's different. I never had a side fingerprint scanner. The only phone that I know that had it was the Galaxy S20e. I'm sorry, S10e. I believe the S10e. Yeah. Don't quote me on it. Terms and conditions. Got your charger. This is fast charging. Oops. This is adaptive fast charging. Nice. They're trying to put in fast charging and more budget phones, so that's good. USB Type C to USB Type, I believe A. Oop, there's sensitive information there. So it has all of these that are the good stuff that a lot of people don't really care about. But here is the phone. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Probably not, but let's try. Oh, there it is. I need to buy a tripod. I'm not even focused on the phone. I'm sorry. Ooh. That looks nice. I just smushed it up. This has a textured back glass, like a gritty, and it's a smooth texture on the bottom. Let me take this phone out the case. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Alright. With my A51 as a fingerprint scanner on the screen, optical on the back. This is how the camera looks. It has a glossy texture with a gritty texture on the bottom, but it's all flat textured, so you can't feel it like you can on here. Wow, my sister's phone is, oh, yeah, hers is bigger than mine. I'm jealous, but I still have the Note 20 Ultra, so I don't care. So this is the comparison. 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras here, 4 cameras there. One's a square, one's a rectangle. You know, so I guess some of the processing in it is different. The size is definitely different. The fingerprint placement is definitely different. But without further ado, let's turn this bad boy on. Hold the fingerprint scanner button, and there it is, Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's see how long it takes for this to cut on. Waiting. Oh. A service of track phone. Oh, should have said in the beginning. This is Straight Talk Wireless, if you haven't seen the box. So, setting up Android. I'm gonna sneak and get her current phone so I can switch into Sims. Oh boy. Yeah. So at this point, I might as well come back once I finish the setup of the device. So, I shall return. Alright everyone, I'm back. The phone is now set up. This is the home screen. This is my phone for comparison. I already checked the camera quality, and this is my sister's phone with G4, what was the aspect ratio? 9:16. And for my phone, this is it. I would say mine is a little better. There's some glare from the light, but yeah. Mine have 32 megapixel. Let's match it up with my sister's phone. 9:16. You can see what my phone camera doesn't do justice. Mine, my sister's, it's not that good. turn it around. Let's see the phone case, which is black. So hopefully y'all can see that. This is my sister's phone. 9 by 16. This is my phone. 9 by 16. You can see the difference. Initial setup, when it was starting to download the apps, it was glitching out a bit. It was freezing up, but it got snappier. It's downloading some apps, so after it's done, I'm gonna restart it. Now I'm power it down and put it away. But that's about it. Hers compared to mine's, I like mine's better. You know, I was using it for a while. I like it. But, you know, for a cheap, affordable phone, this was $129. So, you know, decent price for a decent phone. You know, you get some features if you're comfortable using it. I'll leave the link to the description below if you are interested in getting this Galaxy A12. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully I can see y'all very soon in another video. No promises. But I love you all. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Ty here 120 out. Peace.